Alright everyone, thanks for joining me in another video here for SyllaFX. So today is Monday the 24th of October 2022. So I have a little analysis video for a trade that looks to be setting up here on the euro dollar. We're looking at this on TradingView right now on the 15-minute chart. So I want to go ahead and share this analysis for potential trade that looks to be setting up during the New York session. So hopefully you guys are able to catch this move and get some profit today. If you guys do like the channel and the content that I provide, definitely like and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, that way you know when new videos are uploaded. So we're not going to waste any time on this. We're going to jump right into the analysis, and this is only for the euro dollar for the New York session today. So we'll move over to the hourly or the 4-hour chart first. We already have our supply or our support and resistance level set up. Rejection, got rejection. Supply or support and resistance already set up on the major levels. If we move down to the 1-hour chart, kind of the same thing playing out. Rejected, broke above and came back down, broke above and came back down to reject. We got a nice rejection here. Price wants to continue up on this one, so this is a good sign for the setup that I'm looking for. So now this is a supply and demand setup that I'm looking at for potential buy positions to go long on the euro dollar. So let me explain exactly what I'm seeing, and maybe you guys be able to catch this as well. So again, price is a lot of volume going upwards, so we're in an uptrending at least for now, and price is above the major support level, and it's already came down and bounced off of it once, bounced off of it twice. Now what I'm looking at here is the buying volume that came into the market this morning at the open of the New York session, right? So what I'm doing is setting up my demand level for buy entry on this trade. So my demand level is right here, right above the support, the major support level here. So let me explain what I'm seeing here. Consolidation came down a little bit and kind of hesitated around this price, right? But we're still above the major support level. Now the volume that comes in breaks the consolidation highs, breaks this high, and creates a new high right up here with this one. So it's matching up to there. So what I'm looking for is, once this high is finished being made, price to come back down. If price does decide to come back down and tap into this demand zone, this is where I'm looking for a buy entry. Now, as always, part of my trading rules is to wait for the confirmation. Wait for confirmation that price wants to continue back up. So I need to see, similar to these rejection wicks here, I need to see at least 1 or 2 of these rejection wicks created in this zone for price to tell me that it wants to bounce off of that level and go back long for an uptrend as the buying volume has came into the market for the day. So what I'm looking at here is a potential entry point right in this area. So price comes down in, if it does come in and actually reject, close with the rejections, and then I'll be looking for a long position to buy in. Stop loss is going to be at 13 pips. Again, part of my trading rules, always use stop losses. I do not trade without stop losses. I always calculate and plan this ahead of time before I even think about taking this trade. So stop loss is going to be right below the demand zone, and I'm aiming for about 40 pips on this one here. So this is almost a 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio, a little bit over 1-to-3. Actually, as you can tell on TradingView, it's already showing that 3.2 risk to reward ratio. So the trade is already setting up. This is the only one that I'm actually looking for today. So hopefully it plays out. Price comes back down, rejection to that level, gives me the confirmation for the wicks that it wants to move back up. Then I'm taking a buy, aiming for 40 pips. So hopefully this gets you guys in time for you guys to catch this trade as well. So good luck to you guys today. If you guys are interested in learning how to trade based on support and resistance, supply and demand, and trend trading, I do have the course available on SyllaFX.com, as well as the student group on Discord that you can also join if you guys want to join me for live analysis. If you guys want to have Q&A sessions, I do offer live trading as well, live trading sessions where I'll go ahead and do some trades with you guys. Now this is not a signals group. I'm not here to tell you what to trade and when to trade it. I'm basically sharing my analysis and what convinces me to take a certain trade. And if I am convinced, I will take those live with you as well. So that is up to you if you guys are going to trade those or not. But outside of that, that's all I have for you guys this morning on this euro dollar, October the 24th, 2022. Looking for buy positions on the supply and demand setup. Again, if you guys like the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bells for where you know when new content is available. Thanks for watching.